Morning, folks. We're here with our little trailer. Going to talk about a few more tips on getting this thing on the road. Always check and see if it's plugged and latched with the chains crossing over each other. You want to check and make sure you're latched. And there's a little pawl underneath with this on this coupler that comes up underneath the hitch ball and captures the ball so the trailer doesn't pop off. So you'd be going down the road with a trailer that's lightly loaded, like this thing has about 75 pounds of tongue load on it, maybe a little less than that. So if you hit a few bumps, you may get rattles coming from the back of your vehicle that could be coming from two areas. It could be coming from this hitch receiver, and we've bought a little called a silent hitch pin that actually screws in. The little pin is threaded, and inside the receiver housing here is a nut on the inside that captures that, and that tightens this receiver up so it's not banging up and down. There's other systems. We've tried a few of them, little clips you can put on or to keep that quiet down the road, but this has been the best one so far. And it's also got a lock on it, so you can slow down the honest thief, we call it. Be kind of hard for someone to get this off of here. And then the other place you can get a rattle is in the coupler itself, where that little pawl comes in underneath. If there's some space there, the trailer tongue itself can bounce up and down. Let's see if I can get a picture of this little nut underneath, which is right here. You can make some adjustments to that. That adjusts the tightness of your latch here. So you can put your trailer coupler onto the ball, go ahead and lock it, and then kind of pull up and down on the tongue, see if you get any movement at all. If you do, then you can unlatch this and get your little ratchet and go underneath there and tighten that nut one or two clicks, and then latch it and try it again and see when you get a snug fit. Now you don't want it, you can also tighten it up too much where it won't couple properly, and by coupling properly, this little latch should be under here. And then plus we also throw on always either a lock or another hitch pin through that hole there, so you got redundancy on making sure this latch doesn't come undone going down the road. And because you've got kind of a snug fit there, you can take your trailer bearing grease or some of your green grease and throw it on that ball every few times, so that there's if you're doing a bunch of turning, there's not a lot of friction building up in there, which is what we've done. So we're getting ready to go pick up some marine grade lumber for a project, and that about does it.